Hi Five, so today we're going to move on to a new project. We have done lots of study of art and natural forms, so I thought it would be very interesting to go on to something called graphic art or optical art, where its simplicity is very effective. So you would use line or shape and colour to create possibly an illusion where it looks like the work is moving, but it's not. There's an artist who does this really well called Bridget Riley, and we're going to look at her to inspire us. There are two videos to watch. One video is a interview with her and how she actually does create her work from natural forms but simplifies them in simple shapes and simple colours. The other one is an exhibition of her work where there are two people explaining how she has created the work and how she has been inspired. I hope you enjoy understanding Bridget Riley as an artist more, because when you understand how she's inspired, I think it helps you to understand the work more. I didn't realise she had so much, she was inspired by so much nature and also travelling down to the coast, which was very interesting to me because I love the coast, I love Cornwall. So enjoy these, do watch them, do listen to them. They are a bit longer. So I appreciate it will take you a bit more time to watch them. But the aim after we've watched these videos is to create an information page on optical art. So what we're going to call this project is optical art, with key facts and key things that you've heard, or maybe things that you are inspired by for this project. I will, as always, show you how to lay out your page. But I won't finish it this time. We have done these information pages quite a few times now. And I will complete half, and then what I would like you to do is to make sure that you can use my half, absolutely, but then complete the page, the other half, in your style, with your information, with your facts, so to show that you're really working on your creativity and being original, and not just copying, because we can start to copy, but actually to get better we need to show our own originality and our own knowledge. So I've just drawn out my optical art title on my page, as you can see here. I'm now going to style the writing. I'm going to focus on black and white today. Black and white is really effective for optical or illusion art. So I'm going to style the title and get that ready before I go on to my facts from my videos. So you can see I have styled my writing. I've gone for a more of a blocky style. And I've added in the arrows, and what I've done is I've made them different lengths so I can fit my facts in different spaces of my page. When we've been doing this before, some of you have made your arrows all the same length, so it means that your writing it maybe overlaps or gets a bit squished. So this is a nice way of making sure that there's enough room for all of your information. I have to say, the arrows, because I've done block arrows, it almost looks like the letters are coming off the page. Which was just a happy coincidence. So if you can do something similar, well done, that would be great. Art is full of happy accidents. I'm now going to watch the videos. I'm going to add in some key things. You can even add in, if you want to, some sketches of some optical art with the lines if you have the time. But the aim is really to understand it, to give knowledge. And I have added in more than 10 arrows, so please aim for 10 facts. But actually it would be better if you can do more than 10 and really fill this page. Like I said, I'm going to do half. I'll probably just do this half to show you, and then the other half I'd like you to complete independently to show that you are working on your creativity and showing your unique style. Okay, so I have just added in, I think it's 8 facts that I have heard through the videos, or things I've thought of, because it can be your thoughts too, and I'd like to go through them with you. So all ideas come from drawing and studying. Bridget Riley takes inspiration from the coast. She works in black and white. You would use a ruler to create this work. Riley uses graphic and grid paper to help her. I don't know if you saw that, but if in the video, if you look at the back or just in the white spaces, she does use graphic paper, which I thought was really interesting. The work looks like it's moving, which it does in some pieces. She was inspired by Henri Matisse, which I found out in her interview. And in the interview again as well, she has been working for 7 decades, which is 70 years. So it shows her work from college all the way through to her most recent work. So the aim for you is to add in more facts here, but like I said, I'm doing half because I want you to show me that you are listening to the videos, that you are taking on the information. If you have time, you can add in some ideas here or some images of optical art using a ruler. That would be absolutely fine. I think I'm just going to finish off my title with a bit more black and white pattern, and I will also add in a few details here to give you an idea of the optical art you could use to fill the space. But remember, fill the page, key facts most important, and then if you have time, add in some extra details of patterns and add in some detail to your title. Please upload to Teams once you are finished so you can be given feedback, and enjoy learning what I think is quite different, and I just think it's fascinating. Artwork that is graphics basically and illusion.